Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to post images to Instagram account from your Microsoft operating system. This is Microsoft Windows 10. This software is available for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. So you can upload one image, like multiple images and videos from this application. It's a very simple, completely free app that you can download from Instagram. You simply have to Google GitHub Instapost. So the software is Instapost. Go ahead and Google it and hopefully you'll get it on the very top if you're using Google. Then go to releases and then download this zip folder 18.7M, unzip it and put it wherever you want, and then create a shortcut like this, which I have here. So once you have shortcut, you can put it on the desktop and launch it every time you want. Log in here. Let me show you how it looks like. So go to readme Instapost, simply log in. You have this option, verify. You need to verify your account. Okay, a code will be required to authenticate. You just will log in, then you can select images, multiple images, write caption, and you can upload it or post it. You can also post the videos. Alright, so this is the software. Let me go ahead and show you. I can go ahead and select an image here, write something, whatever you want. FBA and then what? Tools. So you can write whatever you want and then hit on post, upload, not post. So it's going to say uploading. Make sure your image is not very small, otherwise you'll get an error. So your image has to be at least of this size. This is 800 by 400, I guess. And now if I go ahead on my Instagram account, refresh it, you'll see this has been posted. This is what I just posted. Alright, so this is how you post images for free to Instagram from your Microsoft Windows operating system. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment. Please subscribe if you can. Thank you. Bye for now.